Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a little bit of tyre talk. So it's basically mainly about the Rowdys versus the Swampers, but we're going to have a look at a couple of other little details that I probably should have been maybe a little bit clearer on in the last videos. But anyway, let's just get into it. The stock tyre that came off the Axial SCX10II is the, get some glasses on, sorry, the Nitto Trail Grapplers. Now this tyre is about 115mm in diameter on the outside. Stock tyre off your TRX4, same thing, 115mm on the outside. Now the Swampers that I bought a long time ago, and these tyres have done a lot of work. So these things have actually performed incredibly well, very well indeed. Now because these are only 110mm on the outside in diameter, it reduces your LCG or centre of gravity by 5mm, but it's only 2.5mm on the bottom, 2.5mm of less guard scrubbing. But having said that, with the beadlocks and just the grip and the softness of these tyres, these have performed incredibly well. So if your entry angle and ground clearance isn't an issue, these are highly recommended. So there will be a link in the description below for where I bought these. Now these came with the beadlocks and the tyres. When I bought these were only cheap, but I believe they're quite popular, so the price of them has gone right up. The 2.2s, this is actually like a 2.2 centre and 2.2 rim, but the tyre is a low profile tyre, and even though it's a cheap tyre, the plan was always to get the 2.2 beadlock rims and then get more of a low profile high end tyre. But here in Australia at the moment we are still having major problems with stock. We can't get anything, so getting Proline or anything like that is just a real problem. So these tyres here are 120mm on the outside, so that again gives you that little bit slight larger diameter if that's what you want, and ground clearance is your issue. Because with the Bronco, for example, I need more ground clearance because of that bull bar at the front. But with the Axial, you don't need as much entry angle. So what we're going to do now is we are going, because any video that I've ever made that's had the SCX10II in it has had the Swampers on it. So go through and watch any video you like. Go watch the mountain goat track, go watch the TRX4 versus the SCX10II. I'll put links in the descriptions below for both of those videos. You will see these Swampers perform incredibly well. So there's no need to run over that again. What we're going to do is we're going to put this on the SCX10II with the others, and we're going to take these for a run out on the rock course and give them a test run. So let's go and do that, guys. Let's get into it. Alright guys, we're out here at the rock course. How good do those tyres look on this car? Anyway, let's get into the video. Oh wow, that was easy. a great performance. So on a light vehicle, these do really, really well as well. But I've added a couple of little extra little things into this course, so we might go and give them a quick little crack as well, just to see how it goes. So the challenge here is, guys, that you got to try and turn around. Come back the other way and then there's a bridge. Go up. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I think that's pretty conclusive that these tyres performed incredibly well on the Bronco with the heavy weight of the Bronco, with the brass and everything on it, and they've also performed incredibly well on the light Axial SCX10II. So I'm going to highly rate these tyres. Peace out guys, see you in the next video.